everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a delicious Loquat sparkling cocktail. So, what are Loquats? Well, here you go. These are these little beautiful Loquats. I got them from my lovely mother-in-law's garden. But they are a fruit that tastes kind of like a peachy and kind of citrusy. They are really delicious. They're high in nutrients. If you don't have access to Loquats, you can also substitute apricots, so no worries, you can still have a drink. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is make your simple syrup. All you need is 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. You're gonna bring that to a boil. Make sure you stir that continuously first, and then you're going to turn it off and let it cool for about 30 minutes. We washed and halved our Loquats and took out the seeds. I took about 12 to 16 Loquats. So we're going to grab these and we're going to throw them in our blender. And we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of lime juice. Go ahead and give that a blend. I'm going to start with 1/8 of a cup of simple syrup, blend it, give it a taste, and go from there. Now I am taking some white Bacardi rum, and we're going to add about 4 ounces to our blender. This should yield about 2 to 3 cocktails. I'm going to fill half the glass with our fruit mixture, and then I'm going to top it with Perrier. You can use any sparkling water you have. Line your rim with sugar or salt if you'd like. If you have fresh mint, you can garnish with that as well. Grab your reusable straw and enjoy. So delicious. You guys are gonna love this. Mike, it's your turn for taste test.
Tropical, wow.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your Loquat or apricot sparkling cocktail. If you enjoyed this recipe, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. And for more recipes, visit our blog linked below. Hope you guys have a great day. Cheers!